shows that storm.
Yeah, it's going right where we're headed. Remember how I hate these things?
Yeah.
If y'all need to come down early, just press the help button.
Oh, okay, awesome.
Apparently that's normal.
Oh my god, I put keep your eyes open for sailboats for sale. Yeah,
Wow.
I didn't even
Wow.
look at that. Look at
All of
it.
them.
Take them all. I don't want not my first rodeo, Fran.
Raining on the boardwalk. Went to lunch, finally got food, and then we got back to the car and it was dead. So we're waiting on AAA now. This is probably the most eventful week ever. I'm just saying.
Literally the what the fuck?
Wait.
What'd they say?
Should be 15, 20 minutes.
Like a one-legged stripper or something.